Hello everyone, Archana here again, back with another beautiful kit which I have created for coming up Mother's Day. I really hope you will like it. And this kit is not very huge or not very small, so it is in between and it is perfect for Mother's Day project. And I also have included a tag and pocket album if in case you want to create beautiful pockets and tags and memory book. I cannot open it and show it, but this one is Graphic 45 and this album is 6 by 8 by 3 inches in ivory color, and this color is perfectly goes with this collection, but if you want you can use any other colors to cover the album. And this album has 12 cardstock pages, 6 double-sided peekaboo pocket pages, and also included 6 tags in there, so it's quite a bit. It has so many things in here, and this full album is here. And then before I go to the embellishment, I will show you our paper first. So this is beautiful paper, Grow Old With Me. So this is Lemon Craft collection and I love this color, very pretty. Last year I created a Mother's Day kit using lilac color. Before that I used lots of pinks. So this time I thought this rustic orange kind of with touch of pink colored papers are perfect, and it looks pretty much matured colors. Pinks are always like girly colors, right? So I'll show you all the papers, and this package has 12 by 12 double-sided papers, and they are 8 double-sided paper, so 16 designs in it. If you want, you can order another extra paper pad which is available at craftycity.com, but this kit I have included one package. So this cover page also always you can use. I always use all paper, like I don't waste any of the paper, so I cut this part. But the thing is, this paper has a back side which has lots of this journaling spots. You can see right here. So this is our first page. Then look at this one, so pretty. I love the background. I really like this neutral, not neutral, but it has some texture and some script going on. So I really like this kind of pages, so you can use it as a background of your page and all. And this is of course your embellishment side, and the back side of this page is also beautiful. So if you want to fussy cut this image, you will not lose the other side. Like if this image is on this side, so you know what I mean. So these images on different sides, so feel free to fussy cut them, and you can see all the paper. The next one has beautiful roses again. I love this color, and you can see all the graphics behind the page and some lace effect around. And the back side is like that, very pretty. So these both sides are equally pretty. And this one, and this one has some, like if you are making something like 12 by 12 layout, so you can put your picture here, and here are all other designs. And back side I showed already. And this one is also kind of similar page, but it has a rustic frame right there. And back side. These pages are very pretty, and I already last year showed all these pages and full collection. I have 6 by 6 size also available. Look at these hydrangeas, very cute color, little pink. So peach and pink combination, always like a very pretty combination. And the scripted And at the end of this video I have a small tutorial of album cover I created, and rest of the album definitely will finish soon. And back side, and this one, very cute, right? So this 8 pages, and these pages are very thick, nice quality pages. And then I have perfectly match these roses. I'll just take out one of the page so I can show you all the flowers. So you can see right here, it is big roses. So you can use this kind of roses on your card or front page. Inside pages, I don't think you have to use these kind of bulky flowers, so I have included some of the smaller one. There is a hydrangea in pink color, but I have added this small cute sweetheart kind of 10-piece flower bunch. So it's in really cute pink. So you can see it's match with this hydrangea bunch. And also I have included these cute little birds in peach color or pink color. I don't know what color you are watching on your screen. Sometimes colors are different than what you see. And then I have these cute lilies in peach and pink color, super cute. So 10 lilies. And then I have added one of this frame, window frame, and there is a tag inside, and there is one sentiment, perfect day. This sentiment is from Scrapnic chipboards, and these both are fab scraps. And then I have added this dangly lace, very cute. It's 6 inches lace, but it's quite enough for front cover or inside pages. And I have added this peachy colored crystals by Prima. And then I have a yard of this green colored, olive green colored trim for you if you want to create some closure for your album, so you can use this one. So this is cute Mother's Day kit I came up with, and I have 10 kits available and they are ready to ship. So let me show you the front page, and there is a small tutorial. So you can see this is the front cover page, album cover page I have created. And I don't use these albums since they are for sale. I cannot use for my personal project, so I always make my own album. So this is 8x8 album cover, but this part definitely goes on this album. So it's quite a big album. This is also 8x6, and my album is square in square, and this is like a tall. So you can see, you can put this frame right here, and you can put some flowers right here and right there. So this size is perfect for this size album too. So my album is square, so it looks more wider. And I have used exactly similar flowers, but the leaves I just used from my own stash. So you can use your leaves and other embellishments. I also added these birds in this kit, so you have perfect full cluster like bird, small flower, big flower and everything. So this is the one, and I have used this resin piece which is in the kit. I forgot to show you the resin piece. So this resin piece is also in your kit, which has this beautiful, you can see it's very nice shabby royal kind of thing. And this is the cameo. You can see it's very cute cameo. So this is also in this kit. I'm so sorry how I forgot, but this one is definitely in your kit. So this is the front page and let's get started.